Hit. Woo. I'm gonna unforce it. I'll tell when you go around the corner. They kind of got it zeroed. They got this area. Tree. I see him. Who's in the? Is there anyone in the bunker?
One bottom, one top.
All right.
Hey, did the guy on the top floor ever get shot? Okay, the second floor is cleared out, but you got one underneath and one on top.
All right.
They got a grenade that toss up there? Oh, come on. You got a good arm, don't you? Coming up right side.
Hit. How many we got over there? All right. Out. See anyone over there? Claire, how are we doing on the right over there? Alright. You guys got that down? I was like, where's he going? Moving up.
Using your corpse as cover.
Did you? All right. All right. We got cleared on this right. Okay, guy dead on the right. In your front? Yep. Yeah. Push it up, guys!
Hit. Hey, they're on the far right. One's down, there's still another. Alright, both of them are down. Cover the right. Cover the right.
Put fire down. Give them cover and fire. Spread out. Just watch going too far to your left. Hey, don't come too far.
Yeah. Move up, keep going, go, go. Have we found the crate yet? Someone should look for the crate. Like a big crate. It's probably in the woods. Yeah. They usually hide it. Oh shit, my laser's on. Go, go. Hey, moving on the right.
Hey, if you guys can bound up to that next tree up there. There's a guy behind this up. There's a guy behind this big ass.
Are you serious? Is it alright if you just hold his gun, or?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. It's out of batteries. How are we doing over here? Where's the location?
Is it our guys?
We got guys.
Look for the bands.
We got green and blue on.
Yep, there. Spread out, you guys. Spread out, spread out. Get up.
Was that an enemy? Yeah. Oh, I did not know that. Alright. I hope my team members over there doesn't hit me. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna go look for that crate.